Hey guys, it's your favoriteest girl ZOESHAAA and welcome back to my YouTube channel. By the title, we are here for another review. I have not reviewed like an electronic or a tech product in a really long time, so I'm really excited and thankful that Raycon reached out to me and sponsored this video for me to review their everyday earbuds. So these are the everyday earbuds. And y'all, I'm so excited because since I've been in high school, I have always owned a pair of earphones, earbuds, whatever it is, a headset, whatever. I've needed one, always. I've always taken the bus to either school, to work, whatever the case may be. And if you've taken the bus, you know, I hate hearing other people's conversations. I hate hearing other people's music. I hate listen, I just want to be in my own world, so maybe a earbud is gonna do it every single time. So when they reached out to me and they asked me to review it, I was like, yes, please, because I love me some earbuds, but quality earbuds. And based on the reviews and everything that I've done research on and seen, pretty good product for your money. So I've heard. Now, I have not tried these out as of yet, so I'm about to unbox these with you guys and then try them out and come back and honestly give you guys my honest review despite everything. So let's see what the Raycon earbuds are all about. So I got the earbuds and I also got an everyday protective case. This is good. I love protecting anything that I have nowadays. Like, I am at the age now where I need everything to be protected. Everything. Warranty, I'm getting it. Like, I need it. I need it all. I can't deal with the hassle. So let's unbox these. That's what it looks like when you open the box. Whoa. Let's see what this says. Everything protected. So it's just a little pamphlet on the earbuds. This is the quick start guide, so it shows you everything on how to connect, how to find the best fit. Ooh, it looks like it comes with different sizes. Okay, different functions. Oh wow. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so it says that there's a fast charge. Like, this is a fast charge. So 10 minutes equals 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours for a 10-minute charge? Ooh, it's nice and sleek. Cute and girly. Cute and girly. Love that. Oh, that's so cool. If I never lifted it up, I would not know that there's extra stuff in there. That's cool. So this looks like it's a USB-C cable. This is to charge it. So you get a C charger. And as I was saying, you get the gel tip. So this has, as you can see, the different sizes. So it can fit your ear perfectly. I love that, because normally when you buy earbuds, it's usually just like you get extras of the same size, same style. So it's like a one size fit all, whereas this is formed to fit different ear. I love that. Ooh, I never thought of that. That is so dope. That's so dope. I'm gonna figure out what fits me best and size that up, and then I'm also going to try the earbuds out. Let me open up the protective case. It's in this, and I love this. I got this in the, I believe this is the charcoal. Ooh. 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 Yes. Yes. See, just. Ooh. Ooh. Baby. Yeah, I love you. You my everything. I love that. This is cute, and it comes with a little wristlet, so you can, you know, attach it or whatever. All right, guys, I am going to fit these in my ear. I'm going to do some, these are called the everyday earbuds, so I decided I want to do some everyday chores and stuff that I gotta do and see how these work with me, because normally when I do wear my earbuds, I wear them all the time. As I said, if I'm traveling either on a plane, on the bus, if I'm walking to the store, I have earbuds in. When I'm at work, I have earbuds in. I'm always using my earbuds. Even at night sometimes when my husband snores, I gotta be wearing my earbuds. So I'm an earbud girly. So I'm gonna try these out, see how they work out for me, and then I will come back and review them, and I'll let you guys know if this is worth trying out or not. Let's see. guys, so I am back. It's been a few days, and I like that because it gave me time to actually try out the earbuds rather than for just a few hours. But yeah, it's been about 2 days since the first time I came and showed you guys and unboxed with you guys the earbuds. Here they are. So cute in my case, y'all. Okay, so these have these little it has these modes. You have like bass mode, you have awareness mode, you have balance mode, and forgive me if I'm missing out on any other modes, but there's different modes in regards to how you want the sound to come through these earbuds, which I could appreciate and I actually liked. The other thing that I liked was how long that they actually last. On and off, me using these throughout the day, like I did not have to charge them. I just normally charge all of my electronics when I'm going to sleep, so I haven't actually tried using it for however long. What else? Sound? Baby, you can hear the music playing through the earbuds. Like, that is how loud it is. Like, I gotta actually turn down my music when I normally have it on full using other ones. So I was like, wow, okay, but I don't know if that's necessarily because they're new, so I don't know how they will sound in a few months, after a few weeks. You know, normally a lot of times electronics, when you first get them, like the sound is amazing, and then after that it kind of waters down. I don't know if that happens for all stuff, but I know sometimes in the past when I've used other ones, that's what happened. In the beginning, music is super loud, and then after that either it gets clogged up with earwax, I don't know, whatever, but usually the sound doesn't ever last the same for me. But these so far, amazing in regards to volume. Love that. Don't have any issues with wearing them on the bus and hearing anybody's conversation in the ear. Nuh-uh. I don't hear anything. I don't hear anybody else's music. I don't even hear when the bell is dinging for the next stop. I'm not hearing nothing except for what is coming through the earbuds. So I love that. The only con that I think I have is that because I wear nails, like it's a little bit hard to get it out of the case, but I've figured out how to do it now. So I guess after a while, with a little bit of practice, you'll be able to. So if you wear nails, you may want to consider that. But again, as I said, you'll figure it out just like how we figure out to maneuver to do everything else for the girlies who like long nails. Is there anything else that I'm forgetting? So would I purchase? I think I definitely would. Again, I love that they offer protective cases, and yeah, like it's sleek, it's cute. I love it. I love that they have all these different variations of colors. I would have even gotten the yellow one, but I'm just like, you know what, let me just be normal for once and just go with the black. But I love that they have so many different options. There's other different types of earbuds that they offer if you like work out, that are made specifically so that you can work out. Oh, that's what I wanted to say. I don't know if it only happens to me, but I know if I wear earbuds for a while, like my ears start to get a little bit moist or whatever the case may be. And I guess because of how these were designed in regards to the shape, I noticed that they do fall out of my ears just a little bit more than other ones that I have used. But aside from that, it's probably just because, again, I have them in for a little bit too long. You shouldn't necessarily be wearing earbuds for too long of a period of time anyways, so that just may be a thing for me. It may not happen to everybody else, and I could probably also maybe change the size of the grip that is currently on it to maybe be bigger so that it actually stays during that stage whenever it reaches to that stage. But that was it, and I don't necessarily think that that's a fault of Raycon or anything like that. That's just, again, me. So yeah, other than that, love the earbuds. Absolutely love them. Definitely will recommend to my friends so that they can use my coupon code. If you guys are interested, I do have a coupon code that you guys can go over there and use. It will be in the description box. And yeah, tell them that I sent you. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I hope you guys, if you guys are into earbuds, actually do go over to the website and take advantage of the discount code and maybe any upcoming sales that are coming on, because definitely worth it. Y'all know I don't lie. I don't steer y'all wrong. I'm definitely gonna come and tell y'all the truth despite anything. So yeah, but thanks again to Raycon for reaching out to your girl and sending me these earbuds. Definitely my new favorite gadgets. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video, whenever that is, whatever that is. Yeah, bye.